Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to walk you through our advanced loan payments calculator. Unlike typical calculators available online, ours offers unique features that provide a comprehensive look at your financials. You can incorporate additional payments, merge them with your regular expenses, and factor in property taxes and the start date of your loan. Additionally, you can view the results in various formats: an amortization graph for visual representation, a detailed payment breakdown, or a concise summary of the calculated data. Join me as we explore each of these features in detail. Remember, all our calculators are completely free to use, so feel free to share this tool with your friends. Let's begin by entering the necessary data. Start with the property value and your down payment, which will determine the loan amount. You can input the down payment either as a fixed sum or as a percentage of the property value. If no down payment is being made, simply set this percentage to 0. Next, we'll input the loan interest rate and the terms. By default, the interest rate is preset based on current market trends by our mortgage specialists, and the loan duration is typically 30 years. However, you have the flexibility to adjust these figures according to your specific financial situation. You can also consult with a mortgage specialist directly by clicking on the designated link if you need personalized advice. For our example, let's use a property value of $600,000 with a 9% down payment and an interest rate of 7.985%. We'll maintain the standard loan term of 30 years. Once you hit the Calculate button, the results will display that your ordinary monthly loan payment would be $4,001. In the payment breakdown, you'll notice that the total interest paid over the life of the loan exceeds 62% of the total loan payments. The amortization graph will illustrate how the principal increases and the interest decreases monthly. Additionally, the summary section will confirm that there are 360 payments over the 30 years of the loan's term. Suppose you've decided to accelerate your loan repayment with the help of investing partners. The first partner contributes an additional 25% to your monthly payments, amounting to $1,000, while the second offers an extra 50%, totaling $2,000. By applying these additional contributions, your monthly payment increases to $7,001 from the standard $4,001. This adjustment significantly reduces the total number of payments required from 360 to 111 and cuts the total interest from 62% down to 29%. Moving forward, let's consider the ongoing costs associated with maintaining the property. Assume your monthly maintenance costs are $1,000, utility bills come to $500, and annual property taxes total $6,000. Entering these figures into the additional expense section of our calculator provides a comprehensive view of your total financial commitment, including both the mortgage and interest. This scenario calculates your monthly expenses at $2,000. Over the course of 111 payments, your total expenditure would be $222,000, and the total payment for this project would be $994,511. In our payment breakdown, you'll see a detailed display of the principal, interest, and operational expenses, color-coded in the amortization graph for clear visualization. Additionally, for a more thorough analysis or to prepare for a presentation, you can enlarge this graph to full-screen mode by clicking the three-line icon at the top right of the display, which also enables easy printing. This interactive approach helps you manage and visualize your financials more effectively, ensuring you make the most informed decisions about your property investment. To refine your loan repayment strategy, let's say you find the current timeline of 9 years and 3 months to be too lengthy. You decide to accelerate the process by opting for a fixed monthly payment of $7,000 instead of the standard $4,001. Here's how to adjust the settings. Select Fixed Payment as your payment type and input $7,000 into the monthly payment cell. With all other conditions remaining unchanged, upon recalculating, you'll find your total monthly payment now rounds up to $10,000, reducing the total number of payments to 69. This adjustment shortens the loan's duration to 5 years and 9 months, with total expenses over this period dropping to $138,000 and total payments decreasing to $818,756. Additionally, this calculator offers two useful tools for tracking your payments: the annual amortization table and the monthly payment schedule. Both tables can be navigated using your mouse, and you have the option to select all lines for printing or to copy data elsewhere. We hope you find this calculator a valuable tool for managing and planning your financial commitments more effectively. For further assistance or to share your concerns, please click here to send us a message directly. Additionally, if you need help or have any suggestions, feel free to contact us by clicking the message icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Thank you for watching this video. To maximize your real estate investment potential, be sure to check out our other tutorials on how to utilize our range of financial calculators.